Hello, guess who's back? Why is my camera? Okay. Yeah, so let me turn it like this way. First thing I'm gonna make is rotel. I'm gonna use a pot about this size because I'm not gonna make that much of it. The first thing I'm gonna do is cut up an onion. I've been drinking this water. My goal is to drink one of these every day. Next, we're gonna use, I accidentally let this thing on defrost too long, but it's cool or whatever. I'm gonna use this is mild pork sausage. It was just in the Pick 5. So I'm gonna use like half of it. And I'm gonna put it in there after my onions and stuff start to sizzle. Oh my goodness. So the fact that I saw this, I feel like I've never noticed this in the store. But yeah, finally saw it and I definitely want it. So I'm only gonna use like half the block. Turn it down to medium. Just a little bit more olive oil. It's pretty much got it to. Smells delicious. All the onion is, it's almost done sauteing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add the meat. Yeah, I don't know why I forgot that the meat was gonna have to be drained, so I'll put it in here separate. Okay, so the next step, I had to fast forward because my camera was on, but brown the meat, drain the meat, then add in the queso. Well, my bad, drain the meat, sit it in the pot with the rotel and the onions for like 5 to 10 minutes just to let the flavors come together. Then add your half block of queso and about, I did maybe like a half cup, 3/4 cups of milk. And so now I'm pretty much just letting it melt. Cut your blocks into like 8 pieces, that way it'll melt faster. Like I've only had mine in here for like 3 minutes and it's almost all the way melted, but I need to turn it down. Do need to turn it down because it's going so fast. I'm actually gonna add some more milk, so probably add you like a cup of milk. I just kind of eyeball it. Then for the chicken, I mixed some flour in a bowl. So the flour, I did half a cup of flour. I just put some salt, pepper, and some garlic seasoning in it. And I use more garlic seasoning, only a few shakes of salt and pepper. This looks good. It just needs to stay on low. Yeah, so I mixed it all together. So I have my wings here. And I'm pretty much just gonna follow this recipe that I saw on Tasty. I pretty much just mixed it in the bowl with the flour. I was supposed to dip it, and I kind of did, but then I didn't. So I'm just gonna put it in a deep fryer. I'm gonna go back and re-bread it and put it in the deep fryer. Shit. So I put about half in the deep fryer. Deep fryer's all the way up. It said watch it for like 8 minutes, so 8 minutes it has. I'll be back. What we have going on in this pot, I'm gonna remove it from heat for a second. I put a tablespoon of butter, a tablespoon of brown sugar, ginger, minced garlic. Yeah, that's it. Oh, and half a cup of soy sauce and honey. So you let it sizzle. Gonna pretty much sizzle like that. And then you just want to actually just add your meat to it. So add your meat in. It smells delicious. Pretty much let the sauce cover it. That's honestly good. I'm just gonna add some sesame seeds. Okay, I'm gonna take these off. I always forget that I'm supposed to show my own self eating my own food, just so you don't think that I just, you know, make this shit up. So let's try a chip. That's good. I forgot to also put this in the video, but what I eat for lunch is the same as what I eat for dinner. Whatever I make for lunch, I just eat it. The leftover, I usually have like a leftover portion. I eat that for dinner. If I get hungry after dinner, I usually eat a bowl of cereal. And if I'm still hungry, if I stay late enough to still be hungry, it's a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But yeah, I'm gonna take this hair frizzy so my hair can grow and I'm not bald. Back to studying. I go. I'll see you guys later.